Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's John the Don bringing you another sneaker unboxing. Now I've owned these since 2020. As the title says, you already know what these are. These are Nike SB Dunk High Space Jams. My personal size. I do so these came out roughly around March of 2019. I had them since 2020. I kept them all nice, so this pair right here is still dead stock. Anyways, onto the shoe. Now, if you're a Nike Dunk fan, I know a lot of you guys prefer, low tops rather than highs, but I couldn't pass up on these. Very clean shoe. Patent leather is just the same as a Jordan 11. Has a Jordan 11 style laces as well. Super clean shoe. I'm sure nowadays, 3-4 years later, you can still pick them up for a decent price. I copped these luckily under 150 during that time. So yeah, that's that. They got the 23 in the back, as you saw. They got the little on the tongue. They got the Nike SB Dunk High Pro with the blue swoosh. Blue extra laces, rounded SB laces. Let me pop out the other pair for y'all. So, if you guys are wondering why I haven't done this sneaker unboxing, man, I have a lot of freaking shoes and I just kind of got into this sneaker unboxing. But like most of my videos, when I do fragrance reviews or sneaker unboxings, I just like to get straight to the point on my video. I don't be doing all this fancy, editing or all that I'm sure a lot of people do like, but I like to just have my own style. So like I said, these are still icy. This is a major sleeping shoe. Like, people slept on these. I had to grab them. I do have the Nike SB Dunk High Bread 11 versions, which are sitting over here. But I will make another sneaker, unveiling or unboxing on those, just to create more content on the channel. But yeah, man, if you like what you do, support the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody.